Good morning students, I am Safia, your science teacher. Today I am here to explain a new topic of our subject. So our lesson is Forest, our life. Forest as our life. So to know why it is called as our life, we have to learn this lesson. So let us have a discussion or introduction of this lesson. The lesson starts with Pushpa. Okay, Pushpa is a student. She had passed 6th class just now, and now she is going to her grandpa's house, that is in one village. Okay, as per spending her summer vacations. While she was traveling with her parents in the car, she said in midway to stop the car. Why? Because she was on the road and either the sides she can see beautiful trees, plants and all. As she saw that, she was feeling amazed and she was overwhelmed. So to feel that, she came out and she was standing and she had seen. Then she went back to the car and they have reached their grandpa's house. So in grandpa's village, grandpa has an orchard. Grandpa had an orchard. So here that orchard is full of mango trees. Mango orchard. Grandpa has mango orchard. That complete orchard is filled with the mango trees and other small plants under this mango trees. She liked to go to orchard. She used to enjoy this. She used to enjoy the chirping of the birds, movement of the leaves, and as well as she used to see how plants are able to grow, etc., etc. So regularly, her grandpa used to pack the snapback, and he used to move. Okay, he used to go to orchard along with this Pushpa. Both used to go. They used to carry some fruits, vegetables. Salad, and all the things which can be eaten like curd, juice and as well as coffee or tea. They used to spend the whole day in the orchard. Pushpa used to wander. She used to see each and everything, what the living things which are present there. She got many questions. And here one question for you people, that is, what is the difference between orchard and a forest? What is the difference between orchard and a forest? So if we have ever, see I wrote here especially mango, that means in orchard a place where only one kind or same kind of tree can be grown. In the forest, if you see the forest, in forest all the kinds of trees and plants can be grown. There in forest you can find banyan tree, neem tree, goa tree, then you can find palm tree, etc., etc. All those kinds of trees. Not only trees but shrubs also you can find, like rose flowers, jasmine, marigold, chrysanthemum, or even you can find many small grasses, etc. All kinds of trees can be seen in the forest. But whereas in the orchards, only special kind of trees can be seen. Here as I said, mango orchard, that means that orchard contains only mango trees and other some trees grown along with this mango. So in orchard, same kind of tree will be grown and that will in the line. Whereas in forest, trees can be grown in any way. That doesn't have any line or sequence to follow. That is the difference here. So what do you think? What is the use of forest? Do we need forest? So first of all, what does forest consist of? Tree, plants and animals. Plants and animals. So what is the use of these plants? What is the use of tree? I can say, what does tree give us? Tree gives us shade, air, fruits, vegetables, and as well as all the furniture, wood I can say, firewood, etc. Honey, many things can be obtained, clothes can be obtained by the plants or trees. In the same way, what is the use of animals? They help in keeping the environment balanced. Like if we, what I can say, let's take simple example. Okay, a grasshopper. Taking an example, students, to make you understand. Grasshopper and a frog. So what happens if grasshoppers are more? Frog will be eating on grasshoppers, right? So what happens here? The balance will be present. For example, no frogs are there, only grasshoppers are more. So what happens? You can find that ecological system will be disturbed. Complete our habitat will get disturbed. So to avoid the disturbance, what these animals will be doing? They are feeding on one another. Okay, frog, grasshopper will be feeding on small insects. So insects number will be in control. Then in the same way frog will be eating the grasshopper. So grasshopper number will be in control. Frog will be eaten by some other animal. So frog number will be in control. For example, if any one of this has more in number, so you may get different problems. Like grasshoppers, you can find grasshoppers everywhere. They are entering into our urban area, our homes and our areas also. Insects, if those will increase, what will happen here? Either it can be pest or it can be any other insect which may cause damage to the plants, okay, commercial plants and all. If frogs will increase, means again same problem. Those may enter into our areas and may cause some disturbance. So to avoid all these disturbances, they maintain the ecological balance. Okay, so animals are used in this way. Not only that, here some animals are used for keeping as a pet. Okay, you'll use a dog, cat, many other animals as pet, and some animals will give milk, some will give wool, some will give other products. In these way, animals are also useful for us. So here now first we are talking about plants. How plants are useful. As I said here, plants will give all these things and many other things can also be given by the plant. So what will how orchard has been organized or how it is present there. This was a question by Pushpa, because forest will be having different kinds of trees, but how orchard, a particular kind of tree is grown, how it is done or how it is made. So grandpa answered her this question. He said that it is her great grandfather. That means for grandfather's father. Grandfather's father is great grandfather. Great grandfather. Pushpa's father's father is grandfather for Pushpa, and grandfather's father is great grandfather for Pushpa. Okay, so grandfather said that it is because of great grandfather. He had given some piece of land in the forest. He had cleared all the land, all the forest, and then he started growing the mango saplings. Saplings means baby plants. Small baby plants are called as saplings. So they great grandpa got the saplings. He sowed that all and he started the orchard. So there is one more question. In forest, along with plants, animals are also present. So she said that what about the wild animals then? Did they not enter into our orchard or they have disappeared? What has happened? What had happened to the animals? So grandpa said that at that time they used to play the drums, okay, and they used to enlighten the fire stick. That because of that light and all, wild animals will run away. All the people of their village, they used to take the lighted sticks and as well as the drums, they used to beat the drums. So because of sound and light, the animals used to run away from their orchard. In this way, they can protect their orchard from wild animals. And in case of small insects, you know, farmers will use this insecticides to kill insects, because insects will be present in the plants. Wherever the crops are present or plants are present, insects will be obviously present there. So if insects are present, means a plant or a crop may go, it may get damaged. That is why insects can eat the leaves, fruits, they'll damage the fruits, and if fruits are damaged, then we can't sell or buy those. So to avoid that, what we have to do, we have to kill the insects. So the farmers will use insecticides. Insecticides are the chemicals which are used to kill insects. To kill insects, what do they use? Insecticides. It is must and should to use correct insecticide. For example, if many pests are there, then they use pesticides. Okay, pest means little bit bigger than the insect. So insecticides. What are insecticides? A chemical used for killing the insects are insecticides. So grandpa used correct insecticide to keep his orchard good and without any damage to the plant. So this we have discussed now. Great grandfather brought. So this forest area has been converted into a good mango orchard. So now let us figure out what is the use of forest in our life. How they are actually useful for us. What forests are. In ancient times, our country was famous for the dense forest like Dandakaranya, Panchavati, Nallamalla. All these are the names of different forests, etc. So these were the famous forests. India was famous because of this forests. Dense forest means it was completely covered with the trees. There was no space for no space between the trees. That is dense here. So, but now as the civilization is growing, civilization has been increased. These forests has been converted into either agricultural lands or either the places for for selling plots and for survival. I mean, colonies has been developed there. They have been converted into the orchards. So here the forests are important for us because they help as they are called as lungs of our earth. Forests are called as lungs of earth. Why they are called as lungs of our earth? It is because forests what carbon dioxide, what plants will inhale? They inhale carbon dioxide. And what do they exhale? Inhale means what they take? Carbon dioxide. They exhale. What they give out is oxygen. So what do we inhale? What do we take? We take oxygen. And what do we exhale? We exhale carbon dioxide. So what happens as we are inhaling oxygen, carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. That means there is a pollution, right? So what these trees will do, they will take the carbon dioxide present in the air and they will take that all the carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. So that's why forests are called as lungs of our earth. So in ancient times, the forest area was dense, right? But now according to the survey, we have only 19.3% of geographical area covered by the forest. From 70 to 80% directly we came to 19.3% of geographical forest area. You can see how much damage has been taken place for the forest, either for the industrialization or for the development of societies or for development of any colonies. These forests will be converted into barren lands, and as a result all the habitats present in the forest will suffer. Like if the forest wild animals, some of them may die and some of them may change their place. If we don't have home, what do? We either shift for other home. So in this way they may die or they may shift for other places. Not only that, if we are doing deforestation, that is means cutting down of forest, the tribal people are also living in the forest, which may cause a huge problem for those people. And so there are many kinds of problems which will take place because of deforestation. Okay, so how forests are useful? As I said, these are lungs of our earth, and we get different types of things from the plant forest. Like we get vegetables, fruits, and all the wood, canes, and firewood, etc. From animals we get milk, their skin, and their different products are obtained from the animals. Honey, gum, rubber, resins, all these are also obtained from the forest itself. So if forests are not there, we may suffer with scarcity of all these things. Not only that, forest will help in the causing of rains. Because of more trees are present here, evaporation will take place more, and more trees, more clouds will be formed, and rainfall will be more. And as well as the soil erosion, forest helps in decreasing the soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Washing away of the fertile layer of soil is called as soil erosion. So as the forest have many small herbs, shrubs, those will be completely present near the land. So the soil which is present here will be covered by the grass. So in this way what happens, even though there is heavy rainfall or any other thing, these plants are locking the soil in them. So as a result, soil fertile layer will not go in. So soil erosion will not take place if there is more forest. Forest is a community of trees, herbs, shrubs and many other plants and animals. So today's homework here, worksheet is you have to write differences between forest and orchard. Differences between forest and orchard. Write 3 difference of forest, 3 difference of orchard. Okay, just you have to make a table. One side of the table you have to write forest and in the other half you have to write the orchard. 3 forest, 3 points for orchard.